Everyone, myself Rushikesh Ramrapawar, and today we discuss about ORM and JPA in Spring. First is ORM framework. Spring provides API to easily integrate Spring with ORM framework such as Hibernate, JPA Java Persistent APIs, JDO Java Data Objects, and Oracle Top Link and IBTs. Advantages of ORM frameworks with Spring. There are a lot of advantages of Spring framework in respect to ORM frameworks. There are as follows. First advantage is less coding is required. By the help of Spring framework, you don't need to write extra codes before and after the actual database logic, such as getting the connection, starting a transaction, committing a transaction, and closing connection, etc. Second advantage is easy to test. In easy to test advantages, Spring IOC's approach makes it easy to test the application. And third advantage is better exception handling. In better exception handling, Spring framework provides its own API to exception for API handling with ORM framework. And second is the help of Spring. And second topic is JPA in Spring. Spring Boot JPA is a Java application for managing relational data in a Java application. It allows us to access and persist data between Java object or class and relational database. JPA follows object relational mapping, ORM. It is a set of interfaces. It also provides runtime management. It uses a platform independent object oriented query language, JPQL, Java persistent query language. JPA follows object relational mapping in the concept of persistent. It covers three areas. First is the Java persistent API. Second is object relational metadata, and third is the API itself defines in the persistent package. JPA is not a framework. It defines a concept that can be implemented by any framework. Why should use JPA? JPA is a simpler, cleaner, and less labor intensive than JDBC, SQL, and handwritten mapping. JPA is suitable for non-performance object-oriented complex applications. So, thank you everyone.